Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be continuing our previous video that was on Facebook ads. So this will be part 2. So let's get started. So first, to just create your ads, you have to select your objective. Just for an example, I'm just doing website traffic one. Okay, so once you click there, so it will take you here. So this is very important. Why, I'll tell you, because once you become a social media person, or once you start with your branding, your marketing activities on social media, on digital marketing, so you won't be doing only one, you'd be doing many, multiple of it. So what happens is, like, when you want to find how much did you spend, how much did you spend last week or something like that, so you should know when did you spend. So you should know on what product did you spend, or anything, on what post did you spend, how much. So here you have to be very specific. For example, you're doing Facebook ads on the platform of Facebook, not on Instagram. Just for an example, so you have to maybe put your brand's name. I'm just doing Social Voyage. Facebook. You can just put, and please put a date, 25th.5, 2020. So here it defines it very specifically, and it is very easy to know. Even whenever you put filter and you search your ad, you will get through. Okay. So I'll not discuss this in this video. Maybe I'll discuss in my next upcoming videos. Okay. So yeah, this is done. So send more people to the destination, such as website, app, or messenger conversions. Okay. So I'll just put continue. Okay. Um, the first one was objective selection. Second one is ad set name. Ad set includes your targeting, your budgeting, your placements, all three options. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So here you have to select where you want your traffic to go, where you want your TG to visit. So is it an app? Is it a messenger? Is it WhatsApp? Right now I'm just selecting website. Okay. I won't go in this, so just ignore this. Just ignore this because this is just a basic idea about Facebook ads. Okay. We'll also not go into custom audience right now because it's not important right now. Okay. So your location. Here you have to select the location where you want your ads to be shown to. You can select the country wise. You can select region wise, like the area wise. If you only want to show it in Bombay, in Mumbai, so city wise you can do it. Maybe Thane also. This is where you can see the size of your audience. Your potential reach is 2 CR people in Mumbai and Thane. Like, so many people are there from Mumbai and Thane on Facebook. And your estimated daily reach, this is just an estimate, guys. Don't judge like tumko itna mil hi jayega. That's not the case. Maybe you can just consider the start one. It all depends on your content, your image, your targeting, everything, your budgeting, everything. Okay. So you can just select any city where you want your product to be shown to. Age bracket here I would select, so that it's Facebook. It's Facebook. So you can select from 18. Depends upon your product what you're promoting. If you're promoting an insurance uh, product or something, so I don't think so 18% 18th year person would know, like age person will know like what is insurance, how to do it, and all that. People might not be interested. So you can just say from 2021 to maybe around 65 plus. I'm not sure they would be interested. Maybe till 60. Both males and females you can select. If you're promoting a female product like clothing wear or sandal, for example, just an example, so you can just target women. Men ko to interest hoga hi nahi, so yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just keeping both. This is where we have to put your interest, behavior, demographics. What is there in this? Okay, 1 second, I'll just put on that. See here, there is changes also. So how much it was, now see how much it is. So there are changes according whatever you target, there will be changes over here too. Okay, so as I told you, browse. Demographics include your education, finance, life events, parents, relationship, work. What is this? Education means you can target people education wise, maybe people right now in their high school, people right now studying their postgraduate, their graduation, degree, and stuff like that. If you have product for them, okay. Financial is on income basis. Life events, for example, you are a company wherein you promote gifts. You make gifts and handmade gifts, handmade products or something. So if anyone's anniversary is coming up, anyone's birthday is coming up, we can target them. You can show maybe birthday in the month of what is going on in the May or June. So you can put that ad right now for June month so that people can order it from today, so that they have the product. So you can target people having anniversaries in the month of May, June. So people away from home, so date of birth and all that, you can aram se select that. Relationships, parents, if you have a baby product, if you have something related to school product or something, so kids might not be interested, they don't know what to do and how to do, they don't even have money, they take it from their parents. So targeting parents here, maybe like new parents, okay, all parents will come, every category, my parents, your parents, everyone. Parents with adult children, this is where I might come, my parents might come. Preschool children's preteens, so there are a lot of options you can target, and which is very good. Okay, next we'll go to interest. Maybe you can select if you have a fitness product, people interested in food and drinks, shopping, so you can select over here. Behavior, here again there is a category of anniversary, people, digital actives, maybe people who are very much into shopping, shop engaged, so you can target people here. Purchase behavior, traveling, people are frequent travelers, all that kind of, which is a very big thing. I guess you can reach to people if you are doing it very smartly. You can reach to n number of people. You can market your product to your proper TG via Facebook. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so if you are getting a very less, audience or something like that, because of your location, because of your age, because of anything above, so you can click on reach people beyond detailed targeting. So people who would be similar to your TG, so it will reach to them somewhere to just to improve the performance of the ad. Here you can save this audience and use this multiple times for your ads. Next comes placement, as I told you. So automatic and manual placement. Automatic is, it depends on Facebook. It sees your ad, understands your ads, and automatically shows it on the relevant placements. I don't recommend doing this because I don't do it for my client. I used to do it before, but then I have learned from my mistakes and stuff. So I want you to teach. I want you to know about manual placements. So manual placements, I'll tell you honestly, right now I guess I'm only on desktop. That is like people are on their mobile devices. There's very less people who are on desktop, maybe working from home right now because of this lockdown. But I don't think so. People are there on desktop. So and desktop cost per result is very much high. So just remove desktop from it. It should just be mobile. This is my recommendation. You can learn from your own experience. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm not displaying it on Instagram or anything. So I'm just putting Facebook and Messenger. So just remove Instagram. I'll be doing Instagram ads differently. Or you can even put Instagram if you are not doing it, creating another campaign for Instagram. So this is the placements. See, Instagram feed, Instagram. So you might be seeing all these kind of ads on your. So this is the feed. See, you might be seeing Facebook stories, Instagram stories, ad stories. You'll be like, where is this coming from? So this is how it comes. Okay. So I won't be going in details for this because I'll be telling them this more in my next videos. So don't worry. Okay. Then comes the important part of budget and schedule. So budgeting is very much important over here. Okay, so as it is a website traffic ad, so people who click on your ad, then only you will be charged. So it is cost per click. Okay. So you can cost control over here. Maybe you just want people to click on your for 1 rupee or something. You can put an average of 1 rupee. So here you're getting. So you might not reach to those people. So you have to increase your bid. So right now I would recommend don't put anything. Just let it go. And maybe once your ad performs really well, you can you can just reduce your cost control over here. You can just cost or you can just control your cost over here. Okay, so we have two options over here, daily budget and lifetime budget. I would recommend both of them, depends upon your requirements actually. So if you have a campaign for 7 days, you want people to see your ads completely on 7 days. So you can set a daily budget of maybe 100, 200, whatever your client has told you or you have for your business, you have decided for your business. So minimum daily budget is of 80 rupees, I believe. One second. Yeah, 80 rupees. So for 80 rupees, you're gonna reach estimated reaches this much, estimated clicks are this much, which is very good. You're getting 40. No one has seen your website only, and the 40 people will see your website, which makes a vast difference. It can be more, it can be less, guys. So just don't depend on this. For my clients, as they have huge budgets, guys, so I mostly recommend doing, lifetime budget because it gives you cost per result really less. It gives you results very fast. You can select start and end date. Maybe you have only 2 days ka campaign. Lifetime budget, dal do, khatam. And just you have to be very careful over here to set your dates. If you make it एक 2-3 हफ्ते का बढ़ा दिया then it's gone, your money is gone, like every day it will be spending. Okay, so you can have like पूरे महीने का you can have it over here. You can just keep 14,000 as the whole, you know. So depends, whatever. I don't know how much minimum it is. I'm not sure. I'll just see. Okay, so it should be at least 2003. Okay, 2,400. We'll get. So lifetime budget can be of 2,400. Okay, which is very good. For 1 month, you're just spending 2,400 and you're getting this much result. Depends on your result. If you have given some, targets or, I want your client has told you you have to meet this target. So depending on all that scenario, you can set all this. Okay. So now we'll just put continue. Click on continue. Now this is the third part of Ads Manager. We have come to an end, guys. Yeah, this video has been very long. Okay. So ads name is also important just to know what ad you have put. Maybe you will be doing A/B testing. I'll be talking about A/B testing in my next videos. But I'll just tell you, like, if you are doing A/B testing of image, so you need to know which image is going on, which image is performing good. So just put a proper name over here. Don't put this. Maybe ad copy 1. I just had this in my mind right now. Okay. You have to select. Now you have selected on your in your placements Instagram also, so that's why there is Instagram over here. Otherwise there would not be Instagram over here if you only had selected Facebook. So yeah, so you have to select your page over here. Just type in your page, and yeah. So there is two option over here to create. One you can do is use your existing post. How this works is you have already published your post, okay, on your page. So you want that post only to be promoted, so you can just click on this select post. It will take you to this dialog box, and here there will be post which is, so this will be already post which is published on your page. So this was on 23rd of April. I'll just select that and click on continue. So here you'll get the post. So I had two posts, okay, like two like carousel post. So that's why it has come like this. Okay. So here you don't have to do any writing up or anything. You just have to select the post and click on continue, confirm. Okay. Uh, Also you have to put your, 1 second. Yeah. So the tracking one, I'll explain all this tracking systems and everything about Facebook pixels in my next video. So now it is not important, so don't worry. Just ignore that. Okay. Why there is no URL option over here? Because you have already published, so you won't get. So I won't recommend for website traffic or existing post. Existing post works really good for engagement, for reach, for brand awareness. Yeah. So we'll create from the scratch. We'll click on create ad. So there are formats, okay. So depends on what is the requirement. What do you want? You want a single image, a single video. You want carousel, like you have a scroll. You might have seen the scoreable. I might put it in the video somewhere. What is a carousel? That is carousel ads. So I'll just explain you. Each collection ad is a group of, so you might have seen this ad also. So you might have seen one ad, then there is different. I might put that also in the video here for your reference. Okay. Now that I've selected single image, you have to select add media, add image. So you should upload the video or whatever video or the image you want to promote. You have to click on that, and I'll just click one. Just okay. Created this for my Instagram page. Okay. Here you have to put the primary. What is a primary text? Primary text is what that comes over your image. So I believe it is 90 characters. So you can just type a how to plan, maybe something attractive which attracts your TG and they have to click on it. You know, how to plan or whatever, all your social media, how to plan social media content. Hmm? Something. Headline actually now it is optional. Before it was very important because people used, maybe they used to tend, seeing that headline and clicking on that ad. 1 second. So now headline is not important, it is optional, so you can ignore it, but I would recommend you putting click here or something to something, so that because it is near to your CTA. So if you would put a line or something which is like, you might get some, CTA on Google, you can search, which is very much, clickable. Okay, so I want a website traffic ad, so I'll click on website, then I'll be putting my website URL. So you can put your blog URL, your YouTube URL, you can put your um, product page URL, your Facebook page URL, or something like that. Whatever you want, wherever you want the traffic to go, you can put that. Okay. So once that is done, it will show over here. Then this is also option. This is display link, which is here. So if you want to put a URL which is like very long or something and it doesn't look good over here, so this is display URL wherein you can change that. So the link, they'll be derived to this link only, but here it will be showing maybe some other link, which is not that, maybe a bit.ly link or something, which would be like easy to, see and stuff like that. Call to action. Okay. So there are all these calls. So here there are options of call to action, CTA, which we call it. So maybe depends on what content you have uploaded. So right now, if you put learn more, it is good. Mostly for website traffic, learn more is the best option. But if you want to do a lead generation ad campaign, so here there is sign up option. So if you click on that, so people, if they click here on sign up, so there would be a form which comes up and you have to fill it up. So everything depends upon your objective and your content. So right now I'll just keep learn more because that is what suits. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a new thing in Ads Manager on Facebook. So you can add different languages. Like for example, you might have seen Hindi language ads. You might have seen some other country language ads. Different, maybe some South Indian language, maybe Marathi and stuff like that. So here you can put that translation, sorry, translation. So here you can just put one second. So it automatically, you can just add the language over here and it automatically transfers from, for example, if you want to put Hindi, so whatever you have done the write up, that will be transferred automatically. Right now it is not showing because we have not done the ads, we have not put any write up. So yeah, so it will be automatically changed. You want any language it comes, don't worry. Okay, so I guess this is the end of the video. Yeah, required field is the link is missing because I have not put the link. You have, once you put the link, it will be error. There would not be any error. Uh, if you want to review like what you have done, if you want to see if you have done any mistake or anything, so you can just click on review and just see the whole thing. Correct hai, sab correct hai. Okay, fine. And then you click on confirm. Okay, so okay, so I've come back to this page. Once you confirm that ad, so it will go to in review. So Facebook reviews your ad. They have a policy of like 24 hours, but it doesn't take 24 hours, guys. So it will take 15-30 minutes. But if your ad account is new, so it might take some more time, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, but it will get approved. Um, Actually, there is ad policies that you must follow. You cannot post. You cannot promote any hair loss products or something like that. There is a specific way to do it. So there are like a bit of rules and regulation you must follow. So once you do that, I don't think so it will take a lot of time for it will your ads to be active. So yeah, so that's about it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any queries, any questions, or if you think that I've done something error, I you can just give your suggestions, your review, anything possible. Just put it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you or and even review if I've done anything wrong. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. I'll be putting up new videos maybe weekly once, and I've not decided any date yet, but soon I'll do it. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye.